Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
That was that last little.
Yeah.
I feel like my chest doesn't feel as tight.
Yeah.
Like sideways?
No,
Forward.
rotated.
Oh.
Is that also sore?
Oh yeah, both sides I feel like are pretty sore. I think that's just where my stress goes.
Doing okay. Try to get those spasms to let go. They're letting go little by little. Perfect. That shoulder's great now. Let's see if I got all the neck. Right here? Good. That's all it's going to go. And the other side. That's all it goes. Excellent. Oh, yeah, that took care of this one. There it goes. Ooh, this side. See how much that crunched compared to the other? Yeah. Ooh.
No, you're fine, you're fine.
Let me just hold pressure. How about that? I know it's intense. It's either that or my hand, which...
Whichever's easiest for you.
The roller is easier, so I'm asking you. Yeah. Ooh, feel it?
Yeah.
Bloop. So maybe that'll help the knee. Oh, okay. Ooh. You guys are so much more tough than I am.
Feels really loose now compared to when it first started.
Just like that.
Oh, that was great.
Perfect. Other side. Take a deep breath in. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
You're really out. Woo. Push that right side down. Excellent. Good. I think I have one left. I missed one. There it goes. They kind of like whine and push back at me, and I'm like, I'll get you later. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Okay, now comes all the soft tissue work. That's the harder part. So let me get this for you. I feel it. I can see this. What I see is this. That. Yeah, like if I had to pick one, this is what I would say is the worst. It's the most puffed up, out of your whole spine. That. I'm gonna reach under here, sorry. Just to get a better grip. It's responding. You okay?
Yeah,
Are
good.
you pushing like this? Okay. A little bit of petechiae coming out. breath in. Wow, that is, I'm gonna put my elbow into that one. It's
Okay.
just like kind of wants to stay there. Yeah, right there. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Like that, right there. There it goes. I'm getting somewhere. Gonna hear a lot of crunchies. That's normal. Smoothing them out. This arm above your head for me. That's it. Perfect. Now give me, I'm gonna go backwards with it. Get the other side. There it is. Ah!
Oh wow, super crunchy.
I told you it's gonna be like. There. One more. Come on, nerve. Perfect. So you can relax it a little. Ugh. Hold on, I'll get it. There it is. Okay. And now we gotta do the other side.
Okay. See which side's worse.
I don't think it's gonna be as bad over here. But I was just telling you, I was like, oh, that, no, it's not by a long shot over here, okay? Much better. I'm just gonna move your hair up. I'm sorry, I'm getting oil in your hair.
No, you're fine.
Oh, wow, it's up higher on the side. You know, it's way up here. No, that side feels great. We're just down to this side now. Ooh. You okay?
Yeah,
That was,
that went ago. I felt that one.
oh my goodness. You okay with this?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like under here. Let me have, I know, I don't mean to tickle
No,
you
you're fine. You're fine.
again. I'm just like, there it is. Excellent. Yeah, no. Just checking. I got you. There it is. Perfect. Okay, now let's take it behind. Should be a little easier. Oh, it's up
So
at the
that
top.
one- Yeah.
Way up here. Sorry, I just don't want to pull your hair.
No, you're fine.
There it is. Ooh.
You feel my shake?
Yeah, I'm sorry. We're getting it. It's little by little.
It's in there.
Yeah, it's down in there. There it is. It's better now. Okay, that's all that's gonna do. I'm gonna apply some pressure right here.
Okay.
Yeah, right there. It's like right in this corner. I know, it's like I'm trying to get in that corner there. There we go. I gotta get right there. Okay. Perfect. No, I slipped off. There it is. Woo! I'm trying to squash it back down on the exhale. Right there. I'm making all the faces for you and everything. There it goes. Okay, I'm gonna leave the upper back alone for now. But see, now I gotta find out how far down this goes. That feels great. So let me see. I'm just gonna lift this up just a little bit, just so I can get this lower region. There it goes. I'm gonna lift this leg up. It's coming out. Excellent. Okay, I got one left over here, right there. Excellent, excellent. Excellent. Perfect. Right up into that right side there. Okay, whew, you did it. I'm gonna do the scraping now, okay? Here, you could just. Okay, that's all I'm gonna pull out of that. Just gonna wipe this oil off. The oil is just so I don't, so it glides on your skin. I don't tear it up. Let's see what this says here. You okay? That feel okay? Okay.
Yeah.
There is some petechiae here. But not that bad.
It's like combing knotted hair, like you can
You
feel
can-
it. You can feel it like catching.
Yeah, yeah. You can feel when it smooths out.
Right.
Then I stop. More oil. Just protecting your skin. Tuck your chin for me? Like, yeah. Let me get into these corners up here. I know this was a bad one when we were before. I was like, let me see what we got up here. Good. Perfect. Ooh, there it comes.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right, tell me if it's too much. I kind of moved away from it. I was like, oh, let me give her a break.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's over here, too. Totally different level of tissue.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like when I'm using my fingers or like my hands,
Like how deep you were
I'm really
going.
deep. This is so superficial. I'm just combing that top little centimeter. Oh, that side can't take anymore. It's done. It's gonna get this little side. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't think it's as bad as last time, but right here is a bad spot,
Yeah.
and right all from like here up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me do your neck. Tuck your chin for me. Neck isn't too bad.
Yeah, I think you got all the big ones earlier.
Yeah, I'm just checking. Check and then check again. Oh, nope. See, over here. Okay. You okay?
Yeah.
I mean, this is here.
Yeah, I'm here for it.
Okay. You know, I'm just like, if you need me to stop, let me know. Please let me know. How far? Have I done the scalp on you?
I don't think so.
Cause like, you feel that one that like popped
Yeah.
earlier? I'm like, it's all the way up into here and I can't quite. Let me do a little bit of the scalp.
Okay.
If it pulls on your hair too much, just
That's
let me know.
that's fine. No worries.
There we go. See how it pull? You can see as I'm pulling on her how far down it goes into the neck. And then elbow back. And then just your elbow back. Good. Oh.
Oh. Super crunchy today.
Yes. I'm like, woo. There you go. Ooh, I don't know if it's gonna go, but take a deep breath in. Perfect. Other side. Yep, head goes back. Excellent. Excellent. Breathe, breathe. One, good. And squeeze.
Oh.
Perfect. Ooh, very good. I
Okay.
just want to check it. Oh no, it feels really good.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
That was that last little
Yes.
bit.
Perfect. Yes, all done. Good.
That's a little bit that didn't went the first time. Didn't go the first
It was just
time.
real swollen, and now some of the swelling has calmed
Yeah.
down. So I'm like, I just know there's one. You know how I am. Like, there's one. Okay, come on up. I'm a picker. I like to like. The last ones always get me.
I think yeah.
Then roll to the side.
This way.
Yeah. I kind of like, can like feel it.
I feel like my chest doesn't feel as tight as it was earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, that was great. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yes. Excellent. That was really good.
Oh yeah. It's like what I needed. The
And you're like, oh yeah.